Hi, I know you've been betrayed. I know you've been hurt. I know that someone has hurt you deeply because it happens to everyone. And for me to be able to forgive someone's behavior is to set me free. So freedom is the path to forgiveness. So to the extent that I can forgive you for harming me and recognize that it doesn't have anything really to do with me, except that when I carry hurt and resentment within me and against you, I, it's like me drinking the poison and expecting you to die. Me drinking poison and expecting my enemy to die because I carry that resentment towards that person. So set an intention, for me to set an intention to set myself free. My name's Marlou Harris. I'm a psychotherapist. I'm a coach. I help people live more satisfying lives by communicating more effectively. And this is a personal state, a personal decision to let someone go, a personal decision to forgive. And we all have the ability to make those decisions at any time and to just even pray for the willingness. Help me be willing to release this burden of unforgiveness. Help me to be willing to do that. That's a first step. And sometimes it's after years of carrying this burden. Sometimes it's too close to be able to do it then and say, I would hope. And I set a goal to be able to free myself from this. I hope this helps, and thanks for listening.